dragon fruit mango smoothie or dragon fruit mango milkshake. A very tasty, delicious and healthy fruit drink which can be made easily at home. Today we are going to make mango dragon fruit smoothie. The ingredients are a mango and a dragon fruit with milk as needed, sugar and other. First, cut the dragon fruit longitudinally. Then make a slit in the skin. And slowly peel off the skin. Cut into quarter pieces. Do it for the other half too. Peel off the skin. You should discard the skin, as the skin is always bitter. Cut into 4 pieces. Dragon fruit is a fruit of the Hylocereus cactus, which is a very rich source of lycopene, vitamin A, vitamin C and captain, which allows in reduction of blood pressure and prevention of heart diseases as such. But too much consumption is bad, as it also contains fructose, which is a sugar and which can lead to high blood sugars. This is the final cut dragon fruit. Peel the mango, and after peeling, cut into pieces. Cut the pieces of the mango after peeling off the skin. And leave off the fruit and the seed of the fruit. Dragon fruit or Hylocereus cactus fruit is cultivated in parts of Florida, Caribbean and certain Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, and exported to other countries. It comes in 2 varieties. One is the red and the other one is white. Now we have taken the red variant. Put in the dragon fruit into the mixer grinder along with the mango pieces. And close and grind well. Put in a spoon of sugar. Pour in 250 ml of milk. You can make this a drink without milk also. Just water will do, but we have used milk here. Mix the fruit pulp with the milk. Close and blend. Now the dragon fruit mango shake is ready and can be served. This is the final dragon fruit mango smoothie or dragon fruit mango milkshake. A very delicious and tasty and healthy fruit smoothie which can be made easily at home.